Hello everybody, my name is Regina and I'm from Kazan. So the future begins in the present. And nowadays students are the people who will help Russia to achieve new heights in social and economic spheres, to make everybody's knowledge the foundation of professional effectiveness and generally public welfare. So in my mind, campus will help me to actualize my competencies, to accumulate new knowledge, to improve my leadership and communication skills, to meet new people, so find new useful contacts, and of course to be in one team with the best Russian students. So it doesn't matter whom you are going to be, the businessman or the officer. It is important only to be an active person who wants to improve our world, to make it better. So I hope to see everybody in Summer Campus 2015. I wish you good luck and thank you for your attention.